So, and it's something that we address quite a lot in our office. You know, placemaking and working with Indigenous communities is thankfully becoming more and more top of mind, but it also means that there's a lot of demands placed on community organizations and Indigenous people to share their knowledge and share their thoughts, and oftentimes without any compensation. So I have lots of different suggestions. I mean, I think there's the whole conversation around being really purposeful about why you're engaging, and being able to articulate that clearly, so no one wants to feel that their time is being wasted or that they're just a checkbox. I would also say canvass the community and other staff if you work in a municipal context, for example, to ensure that this kind of work isn't already being done, because I know at the City of Toronto, you know, it's a huge organization. Sometimes, you know, there's multiple requests for engagement from different divisions to the same people. So better coordination internally. It's really important to state how your work will benefit the community, the Indigenous community, and not just benefit your own project. And I think really practically, pay people if you can. Provide some way of compensating people for their time and their labor and their knowledge. Part of our work is establishing an advisory circle for Indigenous community to advise on Indigenous placemaking activities and initiatives. So there's a terms of reference, and it's a bit of a structure. And as part of that, we'll be compensating people for their time. And I think that's been a huge issue. You know, people just don't have the resources to be able to help, and it's also just a respect thing as well. You know, they're not being paid, and so practically speaking, even if you can't pay people, but provide some kind of a gift, or pay for their transportation or childcare, or some other practical way to compensate them.